YouTube video script. I tried making money with AI for 30 days. Here's what worked. Video opens with a fast-paced montage. Someone looking stressed at a desk, then I quit animation, followed by quick shots of typing prompts into AI tools, Etsy sales notifications, and a final shot of the host smiling with a thumbs up. Hooked. 0 to 30 seconds. Host on camera, looking directly at the lens, energetic and authentic. Host. I quit my job for 1 month to see if I could actually make money using only AI tools. No prior experience, no massive following, just me, my laptop, and a bunch of apps promising the world. Cut to a graphic on screen. $0 to $3,417 in 30 days. Host. Voiceover, and the results were insane. Some of these methods made me over $1,000, while others were a complete waste of time. This is the real, unfiltered breakdown of exactly what happened. Title card. I tried making money with AI for 30 days, the brutal truth. The setup, 30 to 60 seconds. Host is back on camera, standing in front of a whiteboard with the rules written on it. Host. Alright, so here were the rules. For 30 days, my only goal was to make money online using AI tools. I had to track every single hour and every single dollar. No using my old skill set for freelance work. Quick cuts of the host using different AI tools. Host, voiceover. My main co-pilots for this journey were 5 AI tools. ChatGPT for writing and brainstorming. Midjourney for creating all my visuals. 11 Labs for generating voiceovers. Pictory for editing videos from text. Canva AI for quick design mockups. I tested 5 different methods. Let's get into what worked, and more importantly, what didn't. The methods and results, the core content. Method 1. Selling AI art prints on Etsy. Screen shows a graphic. Method 1. AI art Etsy shop. Host, voiceover. First up, the method everyone talks about. Selling AI art prints on Etsy. Process montage. Host typing prompts into Midjourney like minimalist landscape with warm sunset, oil painting, and generating dozens of images. Then, using Canva to place the best images onto mockups of frames and t-shirts. Quick shot of setting up the Etsy shop. Host, voiceover. The process was fun. Midjourney is incredible. But the hard part wasn't making the art, it was getting seen. I spent hours on SEO for my listings and had to run Etsy ads. Result graphic appears on screen, revenue.